guys, super exciting news. Keegan and I have spent the last couple of days and this morning wiping down the AE86, wheeling it, scotching it, wiping it with thinners, getting it ready for paint. And now our neighbour Jessie has come over to lay down a thick layer of grey for us on the inside. Don't worry, he's been in our bubble the whole time and obviously he's wearing a mask. But it's pretty cool that after almost 9 years, my long-term project is actually making some progress, so we're going to be able to reassemble it. So, pretty exciting. Alrighty, engine bay is done. It's pretty cool. Alright, Jessie's halfway through the cage. He's done the back half. And then he's just got to maneuver himself around somehow. I don't know how he's going to do it. And do the part where he's been sitting. But I'm not doing it. There is my sweet DKM logo on the cage. Can't focus on it. Back of the cage is all done. And then he'll do the back section as well. Thanks, Jessie! Right, it's 5 o'clock here at DKM. We've had a really awesome day getting the cage painted. Thank you so much to Jessie. He's laid down our same grey that we've got on our S14 and our S15. So engine bay's all done, inside of the car is all done, the cage. So it's all been sort of prepped for tomorrow when we mask up the cage. So we've only got that exposed. We're going to do something real special with the inside of the cage. So I can't wait to show you that. Once that's done, we're going to be able to reassemble the inside, so get my seats in there, the dashboard, which hopefully we'll be able to do something real cool on as well, the harnesses, pedal box, all that sort of stuff, so that's going to be pretty cool. And then Keeg also has to weld up the inside of the guards here that he's cut out for the wide body, and then we'll get everything ready for exterior paint. So I have decided on a colour, which yeah, pretty stoked on. And I'm pretty much just pumped to get this thing finally, like, really close to being finished. So there'll still be things Keeg needs to do, like the fuel lines and exhaust, drive shaft, that sort of stuff. But yeah, it's so close now. So yeah, really excited. Yay! And yes, I've decided on the colour. So stay tuned for the cage and more reassembling and then the outside colour.